This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the batch file and permissions. Now begin. First, verify the bat runs when double-clicked because Task Scheduler won't fix script errors. Once done, open Start and type Task Scheduler, then launch it under the account that will run tasks. Make sure to note whether you need highest privileges. Next, choose a trigger type, at log on a schedule, or on an event, so the task behavior matches how you want the script to start. You create the task now. Click Create Task for full control or Create Basic Task for a simple wizard. For action, pick Start a Program. You can point directly to the BAT or to CMD, exe with arguments like /cc, /path, /script, BAT if you need a specific working directory. Make sure the Start in field is the script folder. For security, select Run whether user is logged on or not, and check Run with highest privileges if the script needs elevated access. This prevents permission failures. You finish by testing. Right-click the new task and choose Run, then watch whether the action completes. If it fails, check Last Run Result and the History tab. Enable All Tasks History if it's off so you get detailed events. Make sure the start in value matches the script folder, because relative paths often break. If you still have problems, run the BAT from an elevated command prompt to reproduce errors. Then adjust permissions, or add full paths inside the script to eliminate ambiguity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.